magandang araw din ito para sa aking anak na si 40. 40?
Hello.
There you go. Yun. At ito po mga kaibigan, itong araw na to ay aming okay, together with me is Earl Laura, of course, Broad Live USA, there you go. And Juby Laura, there you go. Ang aming kasama din, there you go, sa production. Maagang gumising. Okay. And of course, Kobe, with special participation of Kobe. There you go. Na naka-SB, ang tawag nito? Scarf. There you go. Yan. Kasama si Kobe. Yan. And we are now being seen by 538. Earl. Ayan. Good evening, Pilipinas. Alright. So, live na live tayo ngayon. Thank you, Jer. Very big day para sa aking anak. Why? Because it's the shooting day of aming MTV music video. Mga kaibigan, music video for the song Made in LA. Ayan. And ayan, tinan mo naman ang background music namin sa LA. Tamang-tama. Alright, so ayan, tama-tama. Tinan mo naman. Ayan na, pinag-audition na mga kaibigan. Saan ka nakakita ng production na member na nag-audition? Okay, so yun. Mga kaibigan, it's gonna be a big day. And dito, pakita ko sa inyo ang aming that's my main man, Steve. Alright, cinematographer. Alright, and Troy. There you go. Okay, they've been doing LA and Hollywood for quite a long time. And take a look. Yan. We're doing the rigs now here and preparing. Almost. Don't worry. You know, relax your time. No problem. At yan. Ito na po mga kaibigan. Okay, so yun. At yung model namin, yung isa sa partner ni 40 ay andun sa bandang nagsiswing lang. Ayun, kung makikita nyo, nagsiswing yan dyan. Ayan. Kasama ang kanyang agent. Nagsiswing. Can you see that? No. Okay, let's check. Oh, senyor, halika. Halika, syempre. Halika. Bihira. Bago ako sumingin.
Pambihira naman po kasi.
Pag 11 o'clock, sisingil na ako, ha?
Hindi naman. Okay. Kumain tayo eh. Ang ginagawa niyo?
Ano lang kami. Shooting lang. Shooting. Hush!
Facebook Live.
Oh, di ba?
Thank you, Idol.
Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you. Naka-tune in ka ba? Oh. Ayan, naka-tune in yung mga kapatid ko. Ayan, oh. Mga kapatid ko, mga Pilipino sa LA.
Tagbilaran po.
Oh, shout out. Siyempre, shout out.
Ingat kayo. Tabel family, Duroy. Ingat kayo dyan.
Shout out.
Sa Pilipinas.
Shout out.
Bongbong Marcos. Cavite.
Okay. Ayos. Ayan, narinig tayo ng Pilipinas.
Bongbong.
Alright.
The best.
All the way.
The best.
Okay.
Ito
There you
po.
go.
Ayan ang
No problem. Aishan. Very. Okay, no problem. Okay, same. Okay, mga kaibigan, may mga Pilipino dito sa ayun ang aming ayan. Ang aming model, nagsuswing. Parang bata nagsuswing, oh. Hala, sige. Ayun ang model namin. Mamaya pa i-reveal kung sino yan, okay? Alright, mamaya pa i-reveal. Okay? Yan ang actress namin. Model actress together with 40. Pero mamaya pa i-reveal. Okay? So, yun. And dito kami ngayon sa park, LA Park. Okay? And ayan. Okay, teka. Kasama din natin si DJ. Pakilala natin si DJ. Isa sa mga homeboys ni 40 dito sa LA. Okay, so mamaya kasama sa shooting to. Okay. Yo DJ, the Philippines wants to see you. That's DJ, one of our stars. There you go. There. Say hi to the Philippines, man. The whole Philippines watching. Introduce yourself. Yeah, a lot. Come on, introduce yourself, man.
I'm DJ.
Yeah, and he's gonna be a part of the music video 2 for 40, right?
Yeah.
And that's gonna be today in Irvine. Okay. Okay. Watch out for him. Watch out for him. All right. Ayan.
Minster Labs.
Yan. Okay, so dito kami ngayon and still waiting. Yung rig namin ay inaayos pa. And of course, aking main man here. Ayan. Ayan.
Hearts and prayers sa mga victim ng typhoon dyan.
Oh yes, nga pala. Ayan,
Hearts and prayers for the victims.
Yeah, so all the way from LA, bumabati po kami ng ng kalungkutan din para sa mga biktima and at the same time para makabangon kayong muli. Real quick, mabilis na makabangon mga kaibigan mula sa sa sakuna at saka sa mga typhoon na rendering happenings. Sana po makaahon kayo kaagad. Okay? May God bless you all. Okay, so yun po mga kaibigan, bumabati kami and at the same time sa lahat ng mga jumo-join sa amin, si Franz Alvin, music video shoot, konting-konti pa and we'll be on in a minute. Okay, so dito umpisahan namin sa park. Yeah, napakagandang park. There you go, napakaganda. Okay, and yes, so start kami ng shoot. Okay, okay, ayan. Nakita niyo naman si Pody, relaxing lang muna dito, very relaxed. Okay, and of course Andrew E. po mga kaibigan, ang inyong director. Ako ang director nito. Yes, and by the way, ang aming pong line producer happens to be of course Erlora and Juby, and aming co-line producer, okay, ang mag-asawa. There you go. Napakabait na mag-asawa na kaibigan namin. Thank you so much. Thank you. At hindi kami pinababayaan dito sa LA. Lalo't lalo na inaayudahan kami palagi at sinasamahan kami sa aming mga adventure dito. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo dalawa mag-asawa. Thank you so much. God blessings pa more sa inyo. Okay? And of course, this is Andrew E. mga kaibigan, telling you na in just a few minutes, yan, kinakabit na po yung pakita ko sa inyo yung kinakabit nila. There you go. There you go. Alright. Okay. Yan. Kinakabit po yung gimbal para mas fluid yung banatan mamaya sa sa video. Okay. Yeah. So getting ready and ito po siguro will take around probably in as much maybe an hour and a half. I don't know what time it is. Maybe
10 a.m.
10. So an hour and a half. Tapos to mga kaibigan. And this is the first location shoot, and then the second location shoot will be at Irvine. Okay. So second location shoot will be at Irvine. Okay, there you go. Yon. So dito kami ngayon muna sa The Grove. Okay, sa The Grove muna kami. Okay, so yon. Although may mga Pilipino na nagpunta rito. Siguro na amoy nila na hindi pa ako naliligo. So yun, may mga Pilipino na pumunta kanina dito. Alam niyo naman, pamisa-misa lang ako naliligo dahil mapakalamig dito. Okay, so yun. Wala, nangangamoy adobo ako eh, paano? Kaya akala nila may tindahan ng adobo rito eh. Okay, so yun. And I'll show you the park. Okay, it's a very nice park. I'll show it to you. Okay. Ayan, ang dami naglalaro. May mga bata, may mga okay, may mga nagsushooting hoops.
What did you give her? What did you give her? What did you
Oh, yeah. Spicy peanuts.
Perfect.
How is it?
It's really yummy. It's not as spicy though.
Okay.
I can handle it.
Okay. Oh.
What's up? Nice car, Ichiro.
you have it. This is Andrew E. inside MCA Luxury Autos, mga kaibigan. And of course, together with me, my friend, ang aking kaibigan, Abbas Amadi. Maraming salamat. Abbas Amadi. Thank you so much for having us a great welcome here in your MCA Luxury Autos, mga kaibigan, and contestee in Irvine, California. And at the same time, I would like to really thank all of us na nandirito, all of the people who participated in our MTV or music video for 4D for Made in LA. And it's a big, big help coming from Mr. Abbas Amadi himself, coming from MCA Luxury Autos and contestee in Irvine, California. Kaya maraming salamat. And of course, do support, mga kaibigan. If you need luxury cars, there's only one place you can go. And all routes lead to MCA Luxury Autos in contestee in Irvine, California. Abbas is the man. Abbas Amadi, mga kaibigan. There you have it. It is Andrew E. for Andrew E Channel. Thank you so much, MCA! Woo!
Awesome. Thank you so much.
I will put it.
Yung kapwa natin dito, yung face natin.
From Seattle down to, San Francisco.
Kahit saan man mapadpad, sama-samang lilipad. Babalik din sa pugar, dahil di kami katulad ng iba. Dahil kami ang sundalo ng tunggalo, hindi magpapatinag kahit pa kaninong bahay. Kami ang sundalo ng tunggalo, barikada na amin binuo para lamang sa kapatiran ko. Dahil kami ang